I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If your Cash App account has been suspended, verifying your identity is crucial to regain access. Here is how to do it step by step. Step 1. Open Cash App. Launch the Cash App on your mobile device. Make sure you are connected to the internet for a smooth process. Step 2. Access your profile. Tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the home screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Support. Scroll down and select the Support option. This section will help you with account issues, including identity verification. Step 4. Choose Identity Verification. In the Support section, look for the Identity Verification option. Follow the prompts to enter the necessary information such as your full name, date of birth, and social security number. Step 5. Submit your information. After entering your details, review them for accuracy and submit your request. You may receive a confirmation message indicating that your request is being processed. Be patient as it can take some time. Remember, if you encounter any issues during the process, double-check that all your information matches what is on your official documents. Good luck, and I hope you get your account back soon.